Tempted by Tap.co's promise of easy engagement and instant online presence, but wondering if it's too good to be true. Today, we're diving deep into Tap.co to uncover whether it's a legitimate growth tool or a potential scam. We'll dissect their business model, scrutinize user reviews, and examine their payment process so you can decide if Tap.co is a safe and reliable platform. First, let's understand how Tap.co works. They essentially sell engagement, followers, likes, and views, promising to boost your social media presence. This immediately raises a red flag, as organic growth is typically preferred by platforms. Next, let's check user experiences. We scoured the internet and found a mixed bag of reviews. Some users rave about instant results, while others report receiving bot followers or seeing their accounts penalized. Now, let's talk about payment. Be wary of any service asking for excessive personal information or offering unbelievably low prices. Secure payment gateways and clear refund policies are essential indicators of a legitimate business. So, is Tap.co legit or a scam? The verdict is leaning towards caution. While they might deliver on their promise of initial numbers, the quality of engagement is questionable, and the risk of violating platform policies is high. Before you jump in, do your research. Consider the potential risks, and remember that genuine engagement is always the best long-term strategy. Subscribe for more investigations and tips on staying safe online.